Initially, when I met Kattu and Manish, the very first meeting I remember, they'd come here, they briefed me on the film and the kind of songs they were looking at. So I gathered all that and I slept over it. And literally, while sleeping over it, that night itself, Manjha tune came to me, and I was sleeping middle of the night, out of nowhere. I recorded the tune on my phone. Came here the next day. I recorded the song. Called up Swanan sir. He wrote the lyrics. And in the span of 10 days time, I finished all 3 songs.
When I met Amit, he gave me in 2 days. He gave me 3 tunes, and I just felt that this man is really busy and he's not giving me his best. They were fab tunes. So I called him up and said, Amit, I don't think you want to do my film because you're not giving me your time, and you're just doing this so hurriedly. You should have taken more time to compose. So he said, what do you mean? I mean, I said, I like it, but I just feel that you could have done better and you've not given me that. So let's call it off.
And then Gattu and I were actually discussing, is he giving enough time for us? Because in one sitting he has sonowed us 3 tracks. And the surprising part was that we liked those tracks and we loved those tracks. And still we were thinking if that he's done this in just a few days' time, what would happen if he was to actually give a lot more time to the music?
He and Manish, they both were really shocked. यार ये क्या है? ये तो अभी मिले हम लोग हफ्ते भर में तो गाना 3 दे दिया. That's not right. He's not putting his heart into it. मतलब ये कुछ चेप के दे रहा है. That's what they thought.
He was really upset, and I was also, I think, being really silly. And then I slept, and after 2 days, I was sleeping, and I woke up. And the moment I sat up, I could hear "Sulja lenge ulje rishton ka manja" in my head, repeatedly playing again. And I'm like, wow, man, this is a really beautiful tune. And so I called him up and I said, Amit, it's a really good tune, and I'd like this tune. Then eventually I spoke to him. I said, it's beautiful. I couldn't believe the fact that he had done it so fast.
Sometimes what happens, ideas come when you are inspired, truly inspired about certain subject, when you meet some people. It just happens. Sometimes it just happens. Sometimes it does take. Sometimes it takes months and months, and you're still struggling to get one song right. It has happened with me. And there are times when things just click like this, and it happened. And Kai Poche was one of those films.
My favorite song is Manjha.
Jazba bhai, Jazba.
I would have to say it's Manja.